Hi, I'm Tom Brant here with PCMag, and we have the iMac Pro, the brand new top-of-the-line version of Apple's flagship desktop all-in-one. Let's see what's inside the box. Now, I've already actually opened this box, but we still want to give you an idea of the unboxing process, because if you decide to buy one yourself, it's going to be very exciting the first time you take this home. So let's go ahead and lay the box down here. As you can see, it's pretty much similar to really any other iMac box that you have in the past, and that's because the iMac itself is very similar to previous versions of the iMac. Now, we've got right here the Apple keyboard and the mouse. So we'll go ahead and take those out and put them over here so that I have plenty of room to take the actual iMac out. And then we'll go ahead and get rid of this box. Okay, so now we're all set. And the first thing you notice about this thing is that it is very black. That is because Apple really wants to differentiate this machine from every other iMac that's out there. And that black color extends not only to the entire display and the rest of the chassis, but also the special edition, if you can call it that, keyboard and mouse. The only way you can get these peripherals in this color is if you buy an iMac Pro. Other than that, the mouse and keyboard are pretty much the same. As you can see, this has a gorgeous 27-inch 5K display. Same display as the rest of the iMac. Now, when we turn it around is when you'll get to see the one physical difference between the iMac Pro and the regular iMac, and that is behind the stand, there's an extra 2 vents that allow the thermal cooling solution that they've had to engineer for the upgraded Xeon processor that we have in the iMac Pro. And I should also mention the AMD Radeon Vega graphics. The way that they've done that is they've removed the hard drive enclosure. It's now only a solid state drive. Looks like on the back here we also have the port selection, again very similar to the iMac. You have your audio port, SD card slot, 4 USB 3.0 slots that are regular USB Type A, in addition to, yet again, 4 USB-C ports which support Thunderbolt 3 for really high speed data transfers. And then we have what is a first for the iMac, a 10 gigabyte per second Ethernet port. Most people won't be able to take advantage of that, but for people that can, that is a huge benefit. The rest of the back looks pretty much exactly the same as you'd expect from an iMac. Very clean designs. There's a tiny power button in the left here, pretty much it. And yeah, the whole system is gorgeous, black color. The version that we have here is actually one of 2 initial versions that come out. It's the base $5,000 version with the 8-core Xeon processor. There's also a 10-core Xeon processor, and eventually later this year they will introduce even more Xeon processor options, up to 18 cores. Those aren't available yet. For now, this has been the unboxing of the brand new Apple iMac Pro, and we will have a full review soon for you to see exactly what this incredibly powerful machine is capable of. Thanks very much for watching.